it.
Hello, traders, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and the week is flying by. It's already Thursday, February 15th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. Now, in our headline news today, stocks rallied Wednesday as a lack of overly hawkish commentary from Fed Chairman Bernanke eased the worst of fears about an impending rate hike. Speaking before the Senate Banking Committee, Bernanke stated that inflation pressures are beginning to diminish and said the Fed remains comfortable with rates at their current levels, painting the Goldilocks scenario that the bulls were hoping for. While Bernanke didn't call for any policy easing, after also alluding to further rate hikes if pricing pressures fail to ease as expected, his overall upbeat tone on both the economy and cooling inflation pressures diminished the likelihood for a continued push higher on policy rates. Such a steady policy outlook, which is consistent with Briefing.com's assessment, renewed optimism about the market's growth prospects and fueled a rally in equities that closed all 10 sectors in positive territory and pushed several indices into uncharted territory. The Dow Jones Industrials, transportation, and utilities averages all finished at historic highs. From a sector standpoint, industrials turned in the day's best performance, Bernanke noting that the current stance of policy is likely to foster sustainable economic growth was the initial spark luring investors back to the economically sensitive sector. Bernanke also attributing part of the gradual ebbing of core inflation to declines in oil prices allowed transports to take full advantage of a 1.7% sell-off in crude. The energy sector's resilience in the face of oil's downturn further underscored the market's eagerness to own equities today. Crude for March delivery closed near $58 a barrel after the Energy Department earlier showed that weekly inventories remain adequate to meet demand. In our small cap news today, Wi-Fi TV Incorporated announced today the company will bring Wi-Fi TV live chat to Internet TV. This feature allows Wi-Fi TV users to chat during live events, creating a whole social community around a program or a topic. The service will be available for free use immediately, Wi-Fi TV live chat that is specific to each and every program on more than 450 live stations and webcams on Wi-Fi TV. The company also announced this week that they will be launching the latest version of their social Internet TV on February 19th and introducing their Wi-Fi TV-A, which is Wi-Fi targeted video advertising on the same day. Wi-Fi TV will also be presenting a webcast on its homepage February 19th. Previously, at a cent a share, Wi-Fi shot up 80% before Wednesday's close to finish at just under 2 cents a share, with over 25 million shares traded by the close. Now, Warp 9 Incorporated announced the financial results for its second fiscal quarter were the highest in company history and revenue increases of 74% year over year. Total revenue for the quarter was $903,754. Warp 9 Incorporated is the premier provider of robust e-commerce platforms and services for the catalog and retail industry. Warp 9 powers some of the most successful e-commerce sites for companies like Magellan's, 1-800-Flowers, and Spiegel. Warp 9 helps businesses leverage the Internet channel to lower costs and increase sales. Previously at 8 cents a share, Warp 9 opens today up 162% at 21 cents a share with over 9 million shares traded by Wednesday's close. 10 Incorporated announced that the company has entered into a strategic joint venture with Dream Learning Labs to acquire all of its developed assets for online educational modules. The company has established an operating subsidiary called 10 Dream Center, which will include the development of games, content, and curricula that are offered online utilizing 3D virtual learning modules. 10 Dream Center's premier product is a free, exciting 3D online game that connects classrooms and youth groups globally in a fully immersive digital community. 10 Incorporated, previously at 5 cents a share, opens today up 80% at 9 cents a share with over 2 million shares traded by Wednesday's close. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, make sure you watch out for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again on the Daily Report tomorrow.
You've got it.